Well, this morning there will be a lot of people walking around without masks now after the CDC makes a huge announcement. If you're fully vaccinated against COVID-19, you're now okay to go without a face covering both indoors and outdoors in most situations. We found out there are some exceptions, though, and we are, of course, filling you in on all of it. Fox Carolina's Carrie Weimer is following it all in downtown Greenville. Carrie, what are you seeing?
You know, guys, a lot of the people that we've talked to this morning while we've been out and about say they are so excited for this new news from the CDC yesterday. But we have to say, before you go and throw your masks away, take a look at this. The director of the CDC announced Thursday that if you are fully vaccinated against COVID-19, you do not need to wear masks or practice social distancing indoors or outdoors, except under certain circumstances. Now, we've been looking closely through the new guidance to try and answer your questions. We learned there are still some places where people will be required to wear a mask for the time being. Places where it's required by law, or a business, or maybe even where you work. So we hit the streets to see what you think about this.
I think it's about time, and I think the majority of people are getting vaccinated, and if they are, then absolutely that's the whole point of the vaccination, right?
And we found some more advice from the CDC you will want to take note of. Take a look at your screen now. You're still going to need to wear a mask where it's required by law. So we're talking places like public transportation, airports, bus stations, or train stations. You still can be asked to mask up at healthcare facilities like hospitals. And there's prisons and homeless shelters. Now, another thing that we learned yesterday from this new guidance, if you are fully vaccinated and you're exposed to COVID-19, you don't have to get tested. Now, we know this is a lot of new information. We're staying on top of everything they're coming out with to make sure you know day to day what's the latest on this. Guys?